Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to add an email account to your Mac. It's a really simple process, so let's get started. First, we need to open the Mail app. I'm going to open it from the Launchpad, but you can also find it in the dock or search for it. When you open the Mail app for the first time, you might be prompted to sign into an email provider. If you don't see that prompt, you might already be signed into your iCloud account, which comes with your Apple ID. Now, to add another email account, go to the Mail option in the top left-hand corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, select Add Account. Next, you'll need to select the email provider you want to sign into. If your provider isn't listed, choose Other Mail Account and click Continue. Then, you'll enter your email details. But for this example, I'm going to sign into a Gmail account. So I'll select Google and then Continue. This will redirect you to the Gmail sign-in page. Go ahead and sign into your account like you normally would. Once you've signed in, Gmail will show you a list of applications you want to sync with your account. For this example, I only want to sync my Gmail account with the Mail app, so I'll leave that option ticked. When you're ready, click on Done. After a few seconds, the Mail app will start downloading all your emails from that account. This may take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your internet connection. You can keep using your Mac as you normally would while it's downloading. Once your emails have finished downloading, you should see a new drop-down menu with your email provider's name. In this case, it's Google. In that drop-down menu, you'll see a list of all the folders you've created in your Gmail account. Select a folder, and you can start using the Mail app with your new account. And that's it. It's that easy to add an email account to your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.